Sabi ni Arthur Schopenhauer, if you want to reach a large audience, appeal to idiots. Now, these types of audience have a very shallow mindset and madali silang i-please na tao. Usually, most of the contents that they want are emotional or appeal to their emotions and yung hindi masyadong technical and yung hindi nag-go against doon sa kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. Once you do that, you will have a large audience, but the quality is never that good. May naalala ko dati, pumasok sa live ko, content creator, oh, dahil dyan, tumaas yung views mo, no? Well, for me, it does not matter. What matters is yung quality ng community na meron ako. And most of the people who are in this community, well, aside from the trolls, of course, na gustong-gustong makita magkamali ako, they are the ones who did their best to challenge what they know. And if ever we had a clash of beliefs, hindi sila mangingimay na makipagdiskurso na maayos sa akin. And at the end of the day, the goal of an argument is never to win, but to have progress. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.